Hello students, this is Rajshekharan from Math World. In this class, we are going to see the topic factorization. Before that, we just recall the concept factor. You can see the definition. Factor means a number that divides another number evenly. Evenly in the sense the remainder should be 0. When a number that divides another number evenly. We can take the example number 3 and 12. A number, that number is 3, that divides another number, that another number is 12. When we divide 12 by 3, what we can see that remainder will become 0. So what we can say from this, the number 3 is a factor of 12. In the same way, number 4 will be a factor of 12, number 6 will be a factor of 12. Therefore, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now we will see the definition of factorization. The process of writing an expression in the form of terms or brackets. In the form of terms or brackets multiplied together is called factorization. The process of writing an expression in the form of terms or brackets multiplied together is called a factorization. And factorization is the reverse of multiplication. Factorization is the reverse of multiplication. We can take one example, 12. We can see this number 12 can be expressed as 4 into 3. The 12 can be expressed as 4 into 3. This process only is said to be factorization. You can see here 4 is a factor of 12, 3 also is a factor of 12. This process only is said to be a factorization, and it is a reverse of multiplication. Multiplication means 4 into 3 is 12, but it is a reverse process. 12 can be written as 4 into 3. So this concept is factorization. We will take some polynomial and based on that we will do the factorization. In this class, we are going to follow the two methods of factorization. The first one is taking out the common factor and the second one is grouping. We will go with the first example. Factorize 8x square minus 4mn into x. We are going to factorize using the method taking out the common factors. So you can see the number 8 is here, number 4 is there. We have some common number and x square, x also is there. Since it is a first problem, we have to find out the HCF. Based on that we will do the problem. So 8x square. 8x square can be written as 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into x square can be written as x into x. And 4mn x. 4mn x. This can be written as 4 can be written as 2 into 2 into mn, that is m into n into x. Now we want to find out the HCF, that is highest common factor. So see, you can see here the number 2 is common. Here again number 2 is common, and you can see x is common. So HCF is equal to 2 into x is equal to 4x. So for these two terms 4x is the common factor. That only we are going to take it out. So 8x square minus 4mnx is equal to, we are supposed to take out that 4x. So 4x into, so inside we should remove that 4x in each factor. So we should divide each term by 4x. So 4x into 8x square by 4x minus 4mnx by 4x, such that it will come like 4x it will come outside and the other terms we can do it here. So here this can be written as 2. Here x square will get cancelled. So 4x into this 2x will be there in the first term, and the next term 4 and 4 will get cancelled, x and x will be cancelled, mn will be there. Therefore 8x square minus 4mnx is equal to 4x into 2x minus mn. This is the final answer. We will start the second sum. Factorize 9 into a plus b whole square minus 3 into a plus b. Now we are going to factorize this. For that we need HCF. So 9 into a plus b whole square is equal to 9. The number 9 can be written as 3 into 3 into a plus b whole square is nothing but a plus b into a plus b, and 3 into a plus b, that is 3, no other way, 3 only. A plus b, it's nothing but a plus b. You can see here the number 3 is common and a plus b is common. So HCF is equal to 3 into a plus b. So HCF is 3 into a plus b. This is the common factor which we are going to take out in these two terms. So 3 into a plus b into 9 into a plus b whole square. We should divide in both the terms by 3 into a plus b minus 3 into a plus b divided by 3 into a plus b. Now 3 into a plus b. Now here 9 and 3 if we cancel it is 3. A plus b, here a plus b whole square is there. So one term alone will get cancelled. Balance it is 3 into a plus b minus 3 will get cancelled. A plus b will get cancelled. It is 1. So that is equal to 3 into a plus b into 3a plus 3b minus 1. So this is the answer. 3 into a plus b into 3a plus 3b minus 1 is the answer. That is, if we factorize 9 into a plus b whole square minus 3ab, answer is 3 into a plus b into 3a plus 3b minus 1. Next sum. Factorize x into a minus 5 minus y into 5 minus a. You can see here x, y, a minus 5, 5 minus a. Generally seeing, we don't have any common factor, but we have one factor a minus 5 and 5 minus a is there. In this term, we can take out one negative sign such that 5 minus a will become a minus 5. Using that, we can take out the common factor. So this can be written as x into a minus 5 minus y into 5 minus a can be written as minus of a minus 5. Minus of a minus 5. That is equal to x into a minus 5. This minus sign, if it comes outside, it will become plus. Plus y into a minus 5. Now a minus 5 is common. We don't want to go for HCF and all. Directly we can understand a minus 5 is common. By taking that a minus 5 outside, what will happen? X into a minus 5 divided by a minus 5 plus y into a minus 5 divided by a minus 5 will be there. Now a minus 5, again a minus 5 will get cancelled. That is a minus 5 into, inside it will be x plus y. If we factorize x into a minus 5 minus y into 5 minus a, answer is a minus 5 into x plus y. We will go with the next question. Factorize a square plus b minus ab minus a. You can notice one thing, we don't have any terms in common. So what we should do, we want to go with the another method of factorizing, that is grouping method. Next method is grouping method. Here, since we don't have any terms in common, we can group the terms and we can factorize it. You can see first term and last term we have a is common, and second term and third term we have b is common. Based on that, we can group it and then we can factorize it. So this can be written as a square minus a and plus b minus ab. The same question in the other way I wrote it. A square plus minus a plus b minus ab. In this way I wrote it. You can see here in the first two terms we have a is common. A we can take it out. No need to divide it by a. Directly I think you can do it now. So if you take it outside, here you will get a minus 1. If you want, you divide it and see. A square by a minus a by a. So if you cancel that, a minus 1 will come inside the bracket. Like that we can do. From these two terms, we can see plus b is common. Plus b is common, we can take it out. You can see here in the place 1. B we took it out, so 1 minus a is there. Now a into a minus 1 plus b into 1 minus a. We don't have any other terms common, and you can see like a last sum, a minus 1, 1 minus a is there. So from here we can take out one negative value outside. So this 1 minus a will become as a minus 1. So a into a minus 1, directly I am doing it here. 1 minus a, by taking the minus sign outside, minus b into a minus 1. Directly we can write it here. Now a minus 1 is common. That I am going to take it out. So a minus 1, if I take it out, means, for your reference, again like the last sum itself I am doing, a into a minus 1 divided by a minus 1, since I took a minus 1 outside, minus b into a minus 1 divided by a minus 1. Now you can see a minus 1 will get cancelled. Here a minus 1 will get cancelled. That is a minus 1 into here a minus b. So if you factorize a square plus b minus ab minus a, the final answer is a minus 1 into a minus b. Next sum, factorize ab square minus a minus 1 into b minus 1. You can see this, we don't have anything common and it is not that much in a simplified form. So what we can do is, first we can make it as a simplified form, then we can start to factorize it. So this can be written as ab square minus, see here, this b we should multiply it inside, minus a into b is ab, minus 1 into b is minus b minus 1. That is equal to ab square, this bracket we can remove it, minus ab, minus into minus it is plus b minus 1. Now we have 4 terms and you can see that no term is common, no variable is common in this. So we have to go with that method, grouping method, and we want to factorize it. By taking the first 2 terms we can factorize, or by taking the first term and the third term also we can do it. So we are going to connect the first term and third term, second term and fourth term. So this can be written as ab square plus b minus ab minus 1. So ab square plus b minus ab minus 1 we are going to do. In this first 2 terms, what is common? We can see here b is common. The first 2 terms b is common. So here a into b square means b into b. That 1b we took it outside. So only b will be there. 1b, that b power 1 will be there. Plus here this b already we took it outside. So 1 will be there. And here ab minus 1. Nothing is common. So just only minus b is common. Minus 1 is common, that we can take it out. It is ab plus 1. So you can see ab plus 1 is common, that we are going to take it out. That is ab plus 1. If I take it out, ab plus 1 as common, inside the bracket what it will be there? ab into ab plus 1. In that ab plus 1 if I take it outside, only b will be there. And here minus 1 into ab plus 1. In that if I take out ab plus 1, minus 1 will be the remaining term. So ab plus 1 into b minus 1 is the answer. So if you factorize ab square minus of a minus 1 into b minus 1, answer is ab plus 1 into b minus 1. Next sum, factorize a square plus 1 by a square minus 2 minus 3a plus 3 by a. From the first 3 terms we can say it is one formula, and the second 2 terms we can take the 3 outside. So you can see a square plus 1 by a square minus 2, it's nothing but a minus 1 by a whole square formula. And the second 2 term we can take it as plus 3 is common, we can take it out. So it is minus a plus 1 by a. And you can see here it is a minus 1 by a. Here we have minus a plus 1 by a. So if you take out one minus, here a minus 1 by a will be there, such that we can take out the common term. So a minus 1 by a the whole square. This minus, if it comes out, minus 3 into, here minus a will become plus 1 by a will become minus 1 by a. Now a minus 1 by a whole square, a minus 1 by a. So a minus 1 by a is common. So such that here a minus 1 by a whole square, 2 times it is there. So 1 time that a minus 1 by a we took it outside, the balance a minus 1 by a will be there inside itself. Minus 3 into a minus 1 by a. A minus 1 by a, if you take it outside, only number 3 will be there. That is a minus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a minus 3 is the answer. So if you factorize a square plus 1 by a square minus 2 minus 3a plus 3 by a is nothing but a minus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a minus 3 is the answer. Hope this video is very much useful to you. Thank you very much.